Welcome back to my channel, people. BrownBossJaTours. Yes, people, so we're at it again. Today we're going to take a sneak peek of the Bellefield Great House and Garden here in the luscious hills of Montego Bay, St. James. So it's actually a staff party I'm going to be attending. So, it's at the Great House. So we're just going to have a sneak peek at it. So we started from the Bogue section right now, heading to the Barnet Tech Park. Then we'll go through the Grandville area and make our way over to Bellefield Great House. Alright, so stick with me, people. I'll take you on this journey and you'll see what this parish has to offer. Yes, people, so we are currently close to the Barnet Tech Park, which is really close to the Great House. Alright, but quick history on the Bellefield Great House and its estates. It has a distinction of being one of the oldest sugar plantations in Jamaica. This lush tropical estate sits on 10 acres of land and for more than 11 generations has been part of the Jarrett family holdings. The Great House was built in the 1600s as a military outpost before becoming the official home of the Jarrett family for 7 generations. So a really rich history there, people, of this estate. The Great House, which has a plantation architectural design, boasts a sprawling veranda, jalousie windows, among other symmetrical shapes indigenous to this style. The property also houses a sugar mill built in 1794 from cut stone directly shipped from England on the ships that were coming to Jamaica to collect their cargo of sugar and rum. The Jarrett family, the owners of this historic property, more than 11 generations, have opened its doors so that the public can be provided with a unique window into Jamaican history. Alright, people. So we've just passed one of the checkpoints here for the state of emergency here in Montego Bay. Alright, so yes, the authorities, they have a presence right now in the area. Alright, so we are definitely, covered and safe. So we're almost at the turnoff now that will take you to Grandville. If we would have gone straight, that would take you to Tucker and other sections beyond that point. We're going to go to the Grandville section now. It's the first I've driven up this area, to be honest with you. Alright, so, had to call there for directions. At one point, I was actually going the wrong way, and you'll see it. It will come up soon. But yes, people, that's how it is. GPS is not 100% reliable at times. But, we still managed to get there. Yes, people, so just driving here through in the night to get us to our location. Alright, so we're close right now so that we can get to the turnoff to go to Bellefield Great House. Alright, so this area of Grandville, it's really busy. They have taxis going to and from, and also residents, traversing the area. Really busy, whether it's morning, noon, or night. Yeah, it's always busy. Alright, and there is a police post that is close by at this area. Alright, so we're almost there. Alright, people. So yes, we are currently at the turnoff now. Alright, so we're gonna go right. And the funny thing is, I came up to two roads, one going left, one going right. I called to ask, and I actually go up the left road, which took me to the wrong way. And it was like I was entering a horror movie. It was really scary up this end. And I reached this really scary looking gate. So I had to turn back and, get back on the right track. Yes, people. So it was an experience there for me. Alright, so now I'm back on track. Alright, just going to speed up the video a bit so that we can get to our destination even faster. So here we are. This is the turn off now. So you'll go left so that you can go to the Bellefield GreatHouse. Alright, so just speed this up one more time. Alright, going over some speed bumps there. Okay, so we should be arriving at our destination soon. Alright, so there we go. So now we're at the Bellefield GreatHouse. People, just gonna get a park right now so that I can come out easily. So this gentleman directed me that I should park facing out. Alright, so just had to align myself there better beside this vehicle. Alright, and when we got there were actually two events going on. So there was a staff party and there was another party at the restaurant. So the staff party was at the GreatHouse, and the other party was at the restaurant section. Alright, so though we're just going up the hill now. If you look straight across, you see that's the restaurant, and if we go left, then we'll head on over to the GreatHouse. Yes, people, so we had to climb here a bit so that we can get up to the GreatHouse. Alright, so there's a water fountain right in front of the yard or the GreatHouse. Yeah, really magnificent piece there. And you can look over the entire Montego Bay from this end. It's a really beautiful view. Alright, can imagine how it looks in the day. But right now, it's in the night, so we will just see lights pretty much. Specks of light. Alright, so we're going to make our way in. So there you have it, people. Well preserved GreatHouse here. As you can see, pictures, different ornaments. Everything is set to look as if, we're back in time. Alright, so here's the dining area. Yes, people, so if you come, yes, you can definitely get a tour here of this magnificent GreatHouse here by BrownBossJaTours. Alright, so sign up today, people. The link will be in the description. Alright, so our staff party will be on the grounds, behind the GreatHouse. So we'll make our way over now. Alright, people, so it's an all-white event. You might see some people in black, but as you know how Jamaicans are. Yes, people, so a huge property, 10 acres of land, so a really huge property to host events of various kinds. So there you have it, people. The party has been set up, and here we have been pictures being taken. So I had to step up and take mine as well. Alright.
know?
Yeah, look a bit of it.
And we couldn't do it without you. Right? So round of applause again.
No, man.
Come on, take a bit. So, and I want to keep it short.
No white rice.
Or she says we're doing it later. But you know, all of this is for you. So I want you guys to have a fantastic evening. Those who are here to let down your hair.
Cheers.
Relax, unwind. And those who do not have here to let down, like me and others, let down your head. Feel the breeze, right? But guys, it's an
espresso. Espresso na fe answer, you know. 225076. 225076. Is that person here? No? 22507. Toya, make some noise for her. And today is her birthday. Say happy birthday, Natty. Yeah, you look good. You look good.
Natty.
Yes. Yes. And then the fourth person from Team Espresso, make some noise for her. The ladies, them look good, dance. Face the crowd for me, please, ladies. Because we need to vote now.
Everybody, manage your Falcon, the whole world. Be bigger, alright. Sister Ronnie, you want to present the to Kareem? A round of applause. I want to give a round of applause to Karina, please. Woo! Right. Congratulations, Team Enterprise. Round of